Hello everyone, myself Manisha Dubey. I study in Sonapapur Government High School, class 9. I am representative for my school team members, that is Sonapapur Government High School, Raurkela. I am introducing for my team members. This is Neha Samal, class 9. This is Himansi Hati, class 9. This is Adarsh Kristi, class 10. We are thankful to give presentable on a Viksit Bharat building, which theme was vocal for local. The primary problem regarding fertilizer in the Raurkela area and Odisha as a whole are supply chain issues, lack marketing, and the environmental soil degradation impact of imbalanced use, supply and distribution problem, acute shortage. Farmer in the region including Sundargarh district where Raurkela is located frequently face an acute shortage of assembly fertilizer like urea and DAP, ammonium phosphate, especially during peak planting season like the Kharif season.
Black marketing and inflated prices.
Yes.
The scarcity leads to black marketing where a bag of urea, which has a government fixed price, is sold illegal at significantly inflated rates, sometimes 2 to 3 times the actual price. Inadequate distribution. There are reports of inadequate supply to cooperative centers, PSCs and LFPs, with an allegation of subsidized fertilizers being diverted to private tenders. This causes long queues and protest among farmers, sometimes requiring police intervention at distribution centers. Import dependence. India's significant dependence on imports for its fertilizer needs, especially potash and phosphate raw materials, makes the domestic supply valuable to global market price. Volatility and supply chain distribution caused by international conflicts.
Agricultural prices and environmental issues. Imbalanced use and soil degradation. There is an reliance fertilizers, urea due to heavy government subsidies, and an under application of phosphorus and potassium. This imbalance current NPK ratio is from the ideal 4 is to 2 is to 1. Regards soil health causes acidification and reduce long-term fertility. Low awareness and obsolete methods. Many farmers lack knowledge about balance, fertilization, soil testing, and if, uh, if efficient application methods. Often using the less efficient broadcasting method, which leads to wastage and irregular distribution. Environmental pollution. The excessive use and runoff of chemical fertilizers contaminate, contaminate local water bodies, leading to eutrophication, eutrophication and oxygen depletion that harms aquatic life and contribute to greenhouse gas emissions.
Local solution. Ways to fertilizer innovation. We have to develop an innovation method to convert industrial waste, specifically steel slag from the Raurkela steel plants into environmentally friendly biofertilizers. This innovative aims to mitigate industrial waste issues while providing a sustainable alternative for farmers. In- information and monitoring. The state government has direct official to intensify enforcement, transparency, and paper distribution. Distribution.
Next.
Slag. Slag fertilizer supplies nutrition not only the plant but also to soil. Micrograms. Slag. Slag fertilizers modify soil microbial habitats by improving soil pro- pro- properties. Steel slag enhance heavy metal in immobilization in soil. Slag slag reduces CO2 emissions. Select silicate fertilizer increases plant photosynthesis.
Thank you.